Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's get started in a comfortable seated position. Rest your hands gently somewhere that feels supportive and close your eyes. And before you try to be calm, just notice what your body has been carrying today. Notice the parts of you that may feel tired or overwhelmed or maybe holding tension. And you don't need to judge any of it. We are just acknowledging the emotions that you are experiencing. Begin to feel the weight of your body, noticing what's coming up for you in your body, and starting to release any tension that you might feel. Soften your forehead, relax your eyebrows, soften your cheeks. Relax your tongue and your mouth and your jaw. Relax the shoulders and your arms. Soften your belly. Ground your hips. Relax your legs and your feet and your toes. Take a gentle inhale through your nose and a slow exhale through your mouth. And you repeat this, letting your exhales be a little longer than your inhales, signaling safety to your nervous system just by breathing. If you're feeling anxious right now, you can place your hand on your chest or your belly, just acknowledging to yourself that this is a stressful moment and not a stressful life. As you continue to take those deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth, you can repeat silently to yourself, I am safe, I choose peace. I am safe, I choose peace. If your thoughts feel loud or overwhelming, that is okay. Imagine your thoughts sitting on a stream of water floating by. You don't have to hold on to any of them. Just watch them pass by. As we close out this meditation, bring awareness back into your body, really taking inventory on how you're feeling after 5 minutes of peaceful meditation. And know that you can return here anytime. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, returning back into your space. Take a big inhale in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Slowly bring your hands to heart center, holding the peaceful energy that you just cultivated. Let's take a deep breath in through our nose and let it out. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.